All right, so let's get to it. So we have a speed shape here. We're gonna scuff this up. This is gonna be scuffed up with an equivalence of a 600 grit sand scratch. That's a maroon Scotch pad. Now you gotta make sure every part of this surface is sanded well. Now what we have to do is spray our surface cleaner. Shake it up. Make sure you want to get a nice wet coat. You want to make sure you have enough product on there to help it lift up the dirt and you can wipe it away. Now we're going to start using our Hornet. This is your adhesion promoter. This is what we recommend when you're using on certain plastics that are difficult. You run the risk of having delamination. That's when the paint doesn't stick to it. You want to make sure you spray on nice coats, even, nice and wet. Tropical Glitz primer. This is our epoxy primer we're using. Now, same thing like always, you want tight patterns, nice and even. You want to make sure the primer is on as smooth as possible. Now, once you let that primer dry, usually it can dry anywhere from 1 hour to 3 hours, all depending on your ambient temperature. You want to go over again with a 600 grit scratch sandpaper or a maroon Scotch pad to make sure you take any little garbage, any debris, make sure the surface is as smooth as possible so you can get the best results with the color. Once we're done sanding that, we're gonna again repeat the same step. We're gonna spray our glass cleaner, wipe it all down, get rid of any excessive sanding residue that's left behind before we proceed to spraying the color. All right, here we have our Cosmic Orange. Now this is one of our candy base coats. This one is a little different than most of our candy base coats. This Cosmic Orange has a high pigmented metal flake, glass metal flake. It really gives you the pop that you want. Now, we always recommend with our candy base coats, spray them over black. We want the orientation of the pigments inside to really help you with the coverage. Now, you don't have to necessarily spray it over black. That's what we recommend. You can spray it over silver, white, blue. You can get whatever effect you want, but in this video, we're going over black. Now, like any of our other colors, we want to spray a nice 50% pattern, nice and wet, not too wet because this is important. You have candy in here and you don't want to have the candy drip or sag or build up on your edges because it's just not going to give you the look you want. You want a medium wet coat, not too wet, not too light, just enough. Now on this color, we're going to end up doing 3 coats because the first coat you see coverage, but it's not that rich orange undertone you want. The first coat, you're just seeing most of the pigments and the pearls. On the second coat, same thing. We're going to run the pattern. We're going to wait 5 to 10 minutes in between the coats. And then we're going to go to the second coat. Now on the third coat is where the color really comes to life. Now, everything I'm telling you here, we're painting it here in South Florida. We're waiting 5 to 10 minutes in between coats. It's very warm here. Depending where you live in the country, plays a big factor on the color and the time and the orientation of everything. So please take that into consideration. If you live somewhere colder, you're not going to get the results that we get right here. You want to make sure you have the best temperature, and the ideal temperature is usually around 70 something degrees. If you're painting anything colder than that, you might not get the results we have. All right, here we have our Tropical Glitz 2K Clear. Now, very important, activate the bottom of the can, and we're gonna spray this how we want it to come out. Nice wet coats. You see that fan pattern overlapping 50 to 75%. We wanna make sure it lays out real smooth. If you do too much of a dry coat, it's not gonna give you that really nice finished texture. Now we're gonna go back, and for the second coat, we left 5 minutes of a flash time in between 2 coats. We're obviously here in Miami, Florida. It's a lot warmer here. If you're somewhere where it's colder, give yourself more time for the gases to evaporate from the clear coat. That's 2 coats right there. Look how nice and gorgeous that looks. Now, what you're seeing is the finished product. This is exactly the results you should have if you follow the steps we told you. We want everybody to have such a great experience with Tropical Glitz and the products we manufacture, and this is the outcome. So if you follow these steps and these instructions we offer, this should be the results you have. If you guys want to learn anything else, you want to watch more how-to videos, do yourself a favor, follow us on YouTube under Tropical Glitz. We have a lot of how-to videos. We're constantly talking about product and educating. We want to make sure you guys know everything we know to get the best results using Tropical Glitz products.